A tragic fire incident in Guwahati claimed the lives of 4 members of a family after devastating blaze engulfed their rented residence late Thursday night. The incident took place at a rented residential complex in Ward number 6 of J. Matinagar in the Jalukbari area, where the fire reportedly spread rapidly and engulfed 2 houses, creating panic among residents. According to sources, the victims were asleep when the flames broke out and quickly consumed the structures, leaving them trapped inside. The deceased have been identified as Kurus Ali, 65, Kajoli 40, Safikul alias Dangar Babu 30 and Sahid Ali alias Sari Babu 12. The family originally belonged to the Krishnai area of Golpara district, and sources say the residential compound owned by Rehana Chaudhary housed around 10 tenant families across 11 rooms. At the time of the incident, 8 families were reportedly present in the complex. Soon after the incident was reported, police and fire tenders rushed to the spot, and rescue and recovery operations were carried out within the assistance of fire and emergency services, the SDRF and NDRF personnel. The fire completely destroyed 2 residential structures before it was brought under control. Police have launched an investigation to determine the cause of the fire. Authorities are yet to confirm the exact reason behind the incident.
Maybe. মানুহ আছে নহয় হিন্দী সেই দুটা মানুহ মৰি আছে কালাম আছে মেবি থাকব মানুহ আছে নহয় হিন্দী সেই দুটা মানুহ মৰি আছে কালাম আছে